Do you fancy yourself a gin drinker?
Well, old boy, maybe you could start with a new upgrade.
Intro? What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy, Kareem.
So we're right in the middle of our 30-day, 30 video challenge.
So, for week 3, we decided to throw a little curveball and add some gin.
So we're going to make some blackberry sours.
Why not?
Let's get started. So for this drink today, you're going to need only a couple ingredients. You're going to need your gin. You're going to need some blackberry syrup. You're going to need lemon juice. And traditionally, this would call for an egg white. But we're actually going to use a substitute today, only because we just didn't buy eggs. So,
Eggs are expensive.
let's get started. First things first, grab your shaker. Let's put some ice cubes in there. Then you're going to grab your gin, and you're going to pour 2 ounces of your gin. I think I have the 1 ounce cap on this. Yes, I have the 1 ounce cap. So I'm actually going to pour this twice. So here we go, 1 ounce. Automatically cuts it off. So glad it's working. That's 2 ounces. Then you get your jigger, and you're going to use about 3/4 of a blackberry syrup. We pre-made this so that we had this in time for this, for our video, or whatever I'm saying, I don't know. 3/4 of blackberry syrup.
Blackberry thing for the thing.
Grab yourself your organic lemon juice, or if you have a lemon, squeeze that in there. But we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Now, the magic of this drink that's going to make it very smooth is if you have an egg white. But like I said, today we don't have an egg white. We actually have an egg white substitute. And I'm going to drop a couple of drops in here. Like, I don't know, it calls for like 3 or 4. I'm going to do like 6.
So, when you use an egg white, isn't it called a flip?
Yes, I believe it is called a flip. And it doesn't matter what type of alcohol you use. No matter what, I think it's still called a flip. I'm going to flip this cup over and I'm going to shake it up.
Also, for a flip, wouldn't you normally do a dry shake first?
You would. But since I already put ice on this, we did a wet shake. Or whatever you call a wet shake, whatever you would call this. But yes, technically, whenever you do any kind of flip, you do a dry shake first. So it's the alcohol, then you put a substrate in there to agitate it. Then you add the ice, and you shake it again. So you're actually doing a double shake. And I'm just going to shake it again. Grab your glass. Fill it up with some ice. If you have those big fancy ice cubes, you probably want to use that instead. Take your strainer, pour this bad boy out.
Look at that color.
Now we should probably do more of a garnish for our drinks. What you would want to do is just add probably a blackberry into the drink itself. So now, you want to add a little garnish to this. You would normally add a little blackberry. But since we have rosemary from our previous episode, we're going to add the rosemary to the drinks. So I'm going to slap it like a dirty girl. Get those oils out. Put it into our cocktail. Give it a little stirry stir and get rid of all these extra leaves. And here we have our gin blackberry sours. Let's try it out. So we're back. Let's try out our gin blackberry sours.
Cheers.
Cheers. Very aromatic. I'm smelling the rosemary very heavily because it's fresh. It's right at the top.
Okay. Cheers.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but this tastes like shit. If you have the egg white, use the egg white. I think my foamer went bad. This might be the literally the biggest fail we've ever done on this page.
Oh man,
There was promise. There was promise here, but somehow we fell short.
fell short. We fell flat.
Kareem, Brew Broz scale 1 to 5. What are you gonna give this drink?
This is nearing one territory.
Oh God! Like it makes my jaw hurt right here, and then it tastes like wood.
So, picture this. Picture you go to a thrift store in the book section, and you cut up some of that paper from those old books that smell like a dungeon, and you drink that. This is close to what that tastes like.
Point of the story is, we done fucked up.
Where we failed at, nobody knows.
You know what? I honestly think it's the foamer. We should have used an egg white, but I didn't have it today, so I used a foamer that might have been a little expired.
I don't know what it is.
Neither do I. Write down in the comments below if you try this drink, but use an actual egg white for the drink.
Make sure you hit the notification bell. Maybe we'll revisit this. Maybe not.
I don't know.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And dump this in the sink.
Yeah, this is almost undrinkable.
It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad.
And on that note,
Peace out, everybody.
also stay tuned for the bloopers. It's gonna be a doozy. Say fly.
Do you fancy yourself a gin drinker? I want it to be British. Okay. Should I try the same thing again? Straight face. Straight face. Okay. Okay. See, I'm picturing the fat British guy from The Mummy.
British guy from The Mummy?
Yeah, when he like flew Brandon Fraser out to the desert. And he's like, oh no, that guy. Okay. Do you fancy yourself a gin drinker?
Well, old boy, maybe you could start with a new upgrade.
Intro.
Hey, that wasn't a dry shake. I get a wet shake, you get a wet shake. Hey, you gotta shake. You gotta shake it twice.
I'm going to. I'm gonna add more ice, and I'm gonna shook it again. Interesting.
Yeah.
I think we need egg whites. We got it. We got to keep it honest. Ready?
Snars, baby, don't taste like snars.
In. I don't know what it is, but this tastes like shit. Oh.
Straight mierda.
If you have the egg white, use the egg white. I think my foamer went bad. I probably should have checked the date on this. No, it says it expires in 2026.
Maybe it's
Maybe it should have been refrigerated.
Smells like a shelf. Smells and tastes like a shelf
Okay.
in the basement.
Okay.